On to the next one. This blue 9.3 convertible 2.0 turbo needs a clutch. Clutch is horrendous, but the valves are also bad. Not doing the valves, I don't know why. Well, ask the customer. But gonna do the clutch, not too bad. Take tires off both sides, pull the axles out, pull the battery out, pull a lot of shit off. So we can pull the tranny off. Honestly, the head job is expensive, and the clutch is smoked, valves are smoked. It's got 109,000 miles. That's not a lot. This car, I guess, lived kind of a hard life. First stepped on, battery box, battery out, intake out. Both wheels are off. Going up in the air, gonna pull the front pipe out. Maybe drop the whole exhaust. Sometimes they're really rusty or really broken. It's gonna swing the subframe that way and pull these axles out, pull the 32 axle nuts out, pull the lower control arm out on this side, disconnect the sway bar. If it's a convertible, you gotta take the freaking stupid brace that makes oil changes a pain in the ass when the oil goes everywhere. Motor mount, well, this is the trans mount, and another trans motor mount, whatever. Pull the front pipe off, 3 bolts come this way.
Whole exhaust is more.
Yeah, whole exhaust easier on this one. Audio was bad here, but I used the torch. Sometimes these 3 flex pipe bolts are super rusted, and like turbo sockets are great, and heat is a great thing for these. I'm gonna pop off the shifter linkage off the transmission. And then we got everything off underneath for right now. Take these brakes off and take this axle out and tie rod off. So 2 bolts hold the bracket for the shifter linkage on.
Yeah, there's 113 here you gotta unscrew. And then this one down here, right behind the radiator hose. You'll see it right there. See?
Get the hose out of the way. So you're saying take these top bell housing bolts out, and then put the J-bar and hold the engine up, and then pull the mount on that. Then the mounts from underneath, 2 mounts there, and then the rest of the bell housing bolt, the axles, and the subframe, and everything connected to the subframe. Hold up the radiator, because radiator's gonna fall. Get a ratchet strap for that.
Oh, that's gonna be. See how I did that?
Yep. Pull the clip down and pull it right out.
That's it. That's good. So now we got 18s. So we gotta get some around the inside. You got 1 here. You got two 18s. And then
all up along.
The rest of them are down below, really.
Yeah.
There's only 2 on the top you gotta get. That's it. The rest are all on the bottom, and then you drop this, but you can't drop this until
the J-bar.
Yeah.
I ratchet up the radiator.
You gotta take the 18s out.
J-bar is on. Bolt it to where the vacuum pump goes. Power steering pump. Vacuum pump's the other one. Dumbass.
Let's do it. Shot.
Out. Out. Off. Out. Off. And then steering rack bolts, right? and leave the steering rack in the car. There's the other subframe bolt up there in the corner and up in this corner. And then radiator, there's like a little tab and you kind of got to push it up and out. So radiators only being held in by this. So rack bolts are out.
Bye bye. Up for 2. That's it.
I was saying steering rack bolts are out, and then 2 subframe bolts. I really can't think.
Pain in the ass. All the bolts.
This line is connected to the this power steering line is connected to the subframe, and now we got everything off. Well, we gotta take this out now.
Yeah.
This and then
Okay,
come
yeah,
training.
no problem.
Come on, get out of there. Really, hurry up. Axles are out. That's really tight.
Yeah.
They're about to drain the fluid.
I need a half-inch drive on this. That's probably not going to do it.
Really tight. There you go. So we're gonna take the starter out, and then
You just have to get the top bolt out. You can see it.
oh, the top bolt. Pardon my in French.
That was a bell bolt right up there. You gotta get to.
Yeah.
Right there. That big
Yeah,
bell
it's that
bolt.
one. Because
bolts.
this one bolts
Bolts.
into the block.
Bolt.
This one right
If I
here.
remember right.
This one right here. You gotta get out.
Yeah.
The top
That's a
bolt.
big one. I don't know if you can get that with the starter in a way. You can't. I
Hey,
take the starter
what do you
out.
We got the 2 on
Right
top.
there.
Yeah.
It's a bitch.
Yeah, just take the fucking starter
It's
out.
easier. And then you only
I
got a
was
few
right.
bolts. It'll be out of there. Be out of there in like 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the crankshaft position sensor.
Yeah, I'm saying unplug
Why?
it.
So I can leave it unplugged when we put it back in, you mean? Should put one in a while. I got the transmission out, to tell you the truth. You know that?
Pull what?
Crankshaft position sensor, they're a bitch. Right?
There's 2 bolts up there.
There's one right there. I'm on it right there.
Oh,
Yeah, hold like that. You got it?
yep. That hidden bolt forgot about way up there. Yeah.
Yeah, but you got it.
This gun works good.
Doesn't it?
Yeah, because it's
You're gonna put a bolt around the transmission and the jack. Take the last bolt out.
that's tight.
And then we're gonna lower it and pull it out. Lower and pull this way.
It's out of the way. That's good.
Well, you want to go back with it, Mark?
That needs to be cleaned. Let's take the pressure plate off it, see what it looks like. Greg got a new flywheel for me too, so we got everything new.
I see that.
Wouldn't believe the slap this gun's got. I got fucking crazy. It's got 4 in there, right in front of
Oh,
it.
yeah.
It's unbelievable how good it works. Look at that. It fits right in there, nice. Take a deep breath.
Look at all the freaking dust coming out of there.
That's bad for you.
Oh my god. No comment. There was so much dust clutch material in the bell housing.
Yeah, no
was
shit.
in funny.
Didn't even have any time to go anywhere.
You could even see like little
It had
holes
smoked
on
everything.
it. The little,
in it.
like where the
Everything was gone.
rivet, like just getting hot
Okay.
sitting.
We're gonna plan it.
Yeah, it's
They have some, but
that's normal.
I don't know. We might have got a lot more than normal.
So I got.
So this is a new one.
Okay.
Yeah, that was a lot less than
Hey,
that one.
this one you could do the fucking merry-go-round dance on it.
Oh yeah.
It sounds good too.
Yeah, look at
It sounds sloppy. Like
goes halfway around the bullseye. Brand new. Get a good look at it.
yeah, not nearly.
Huh?
Doesn't the old one doesn't look anything like this.
Like what?
Nice.
Oh, I
The
know.
meat. The other one was
All messed
so
up.
burnt.
I gotta get the tool out to line
And
it
then
up.
throw bearing.
Yeah.
Right? Yep, look at that. Nice and new.
Brand new, baby.
There's the thermostat. It's best to do the thermostat by pulling the engine and transmission out. Just kidding. Starter engages the teeth on the flywheel and turns the motor over and
I don't even know if this is gonna fit this because I don't think it will. I got the new kit now that we can use. You gotta find a socket for it.
I have not.
Don't breathe it.
So loosen this up. It'll pull out of the slave. 3 bolts. Yep, 3 bolts sounds right.
Yeah, I can wash the floor, man. We're done.
That's smoke.
Oh, shot.
Yeah, this one isn't half as. There's like no wobble compared to that one.
Shot, really. Look at it. Bitch.
Just plug the clutch, and then you put fluid, trans fluid. Where's the plug? There it is.
Right here, right down there, yeah.
Yep. And yeah, I guess
That's it. Now we're gonna put
coolant
that on.
lines, put coolant in, and
Put
the
rest of it
battery
together.
box
Put
and-
the rest of it together.
I don't know, it'll be good.
Yep.
I'll up to temp. Ready to go on the test drive.
Clutch is so smooth, dude. You gotta try it.
Just had the flywheel refinished. Machine shop. See, brand new flywheel bolts with Loctite. Yeah, look at that.